So we've got this Aquatherm outdoor wood boiler, and I noticed that the ashes weren't falling down, and I pulled, you can see the grates are plugged up here, so I pulled the front grate off and you can see that it's just packed full of ashes under here. So obviously we need to clean that out. I took the second grate off. You can see it's just packed, but the grates just pop right out of there. So we'll get that cleaned out. I got a couple grates out of here already. They just sit in there, and get them cleaned up and fill our bucket full of ashes here. So we're ready to get it started for the season. The house is 60 degrees, so had some complaints. All right, so we got it cleaned out. You can see right down in there nicely now. We're augering the last little bit out, and now we'll throw the grates back in there, and that should make things work a lot better. All right, she's all cleaned out, got the grates back in there, and we're ready to start a fire.